Hello and welcome to This is Private Practice, live from the Pullman Hotel in Brisbane with the TV monitor behind my head. That's going to be nice and distracting. Looking for some okay lighting to be able to greet you and share with you my excitement as I get ready to go and speak to some alumni of the Australian College of Applied Psychology. I got there. I've been tripping over my words a bit today, so that'll make it fun delivering a 3-hour workshop for these fabulous people tonight. Wow, what an interesting day it's been again. I really don't think there's anything less glamorous than interstate travel. I know a lot of people kind of think that the traveling lifestyle for work is glamorous and fun and entertaining, but really it's just starting to get really tedious. Transport problems abound everywhere. There are problems on the road, there's problems with parking, there's problems with airlines being early, then late, then my flight was leaving before I was even going to board, which totally threw me. And then I arrived in a state in Queensland, which is not on the same time zone as New South Wales, where I'm from. So my brain is just going, cannot compute. So I've taken my watch off because that was doing my head in, and I'm not wearing a watch and I feel lighter and somewhat free. Ha! So anyone who's out there thinking that online provision of services is the way of the future, I think you're right. I think it's the only way we are ever going to manage the transport crisis that now exists in Sydney. So I'm off to speak on how to identify and refine your expertise. I'm looking forward to sharing this with a room full of people today. I've delivered this presentation a couple of times now, and I know people find it quite informative and somewhat transformational because it really makes you think about what you know, but also what you're known for. Totally different question. Anyway, I'm looking forward to getting lost in the streets of Brisbane, so I better go leave now and make sure that I've got plenty of time to arrive at my venue. Looking forward to talking to you later this week.